Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're enjoying this beautiful night or afternoon wherever you are. I am coming to you today to share with you some goodies that I received today. I ordered some of this stuff before Christmas and I just got them today and I am super excited, so I am going to share this with you. Before that though, I have one more thing to show you. So I've been organizing my craft room because I know I have lots of stuff that I am not able to see anymore. So I found this. So I had this for years and they were just buried in my stash. These are alcohol ink. I even had this alcohol blending solution. I used to make projects using alcohol ink. I made jewelry and I used to sell them in vendor sales and they were very saleable. And then when I stopped participating in craft fairs, I just hid this somewhere and they got buried, and so I forgot about them. But now that they are found, I will be able to play with them again. That is exciting. Okay, so the other night I couldn't sleep and I had no energy to make any more projects because I filled my orders from my shop and then I did some crafting and I think I uploaded a video as well, and I just wanted to relax but I could not sleep, so I just watched YouTube videos and I've been amazed with all these beautiful, talented, crafty ladies. They always come up with beautiful ideas and gorgeous projects. I was pumped and really inspired, and so I thought I am going to make it a go. So here's the first item that I ordered and it came today, and these are epoxy resin. I used to make projects out of resin, but it's not this brand, so I am going to try this, and they are 4 ounces. And then this also came today. These are 10 pieces jewelry casting molds. These are resin pendant mold, and it's the first time that I am going to use this. It came with the screws as well. These resin molds are made of good quality silicone, as it's said there in the description, and it's supposed to be soft and flexible and should last a long time, so we will see. This should be good to make keychains and earrings, necklaces, we'll see. And again, they come with a screw, and then we also have the plastic droppers. I believe I should have 5 plastic droppers. Yep, I have 5. And then next, I have this 20 pieces jewelry casting molds. These are also silicone pendant resin molds. And these molds are also flexible and they come with a hole already, or a pole. So we have 5 different shapes here. And then I have this 3-pack coaster silicone mold. It's exciting. So I have a hexagon, and then I have here a square, and a round coaster. And then I have all these molds too, and these are for covers for notebooks. I believe I ordered 3 sizes, A5, A6, and A7. And okay, so it came with this cup, measuring cup, also silicone, and let's see, it came also with binders and a tweezer, tweezer and binders. So I have the gold tone and the silver tone, and then yes, 3 sizes, so A5, A6, and A7, I believe. I will be able to make covers for notebooks. That is exciting. I cannot wait to start. Beautiful molds. We'll see. And of course I need the colors. So I have this 16 colors, resin color pigment. So these are resin dye, and it has a thank you card with instructions. Yes, with instructions. It's going to be the first time that I will use this brand. So I have here 16 colors. It's very exciting. So there, that's the brand is Let's Resin. And guys, I have one more here. This is the Magic Armor, the UV LED nail lamp, the portable curling light for, this is actually for gel nail polish, but we can use this for whatever I will make. And very cute, right? I love the color too. Yeah, super small. Really portable. So I am happy with this. Hopefully this performs the way I expect it to perform. Oh, but I have one more. So this is the shrink film, and this is for inkjet printers, and it says here shrinks to 20% of its original size. So we will see if that is what it's gonna give. I have not used this brand, so it's going to be the first time that I will be experimenting with a shrink film graphics brand. So that's exciting. So that's all I have for you. These are great stuff that I am going to experiment and explore. I love paper crafting, and I still do custom orders. I have 5 more custom orders that I am finishing, and paper crafting is going to be my #1 baby. But with craft, you can try everything, right? And I'm going to try doing all this other stuff. And I may be years late embarking on this other materials, but with crafting, you are never late. Everyone starts as beginners, right? And I'm gonna do this. So we will see what happens, and I will try to share with you the projects that I will come up with. So I hope that you continue to support my channel and continue to support my shop. And I'd like to thank you everyone from the bottom of my heart. You've been very good. I've been blessed with your support, and I really appreciate it. My Etsy shop is no longer just a hobby, and it's starting to be a business. So I thank you so much. And please stay safe. I know that so many really crazy things are happening nowadays, but stay safe, be positive, take care, God bless you. Bye now, till next time.